Okay, so this is a tutorial to replace your hard drives for your Synology NAS when you just want to upgrade the space, not when the drive is dead. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the storage manager and click on the HDD option, select the drive you want to replace and hit deactivate drive. Yes, okay. And once you do this, it will prepare to remove the drive. It will also start beeping, which is kind of annoying, but you can mute that beeping. But it'll only take a couple seconds to do this, so no worries. Okay, so drive has been deactivated. Now it is time to replace the drive. So the first thing you'll do is you'll go over to the drive that you're replacing, indicated by the orange light. You will remove that whole drive from your Synology, and then you can swap out the drive with your new drive. Here I'm replacing an 8 terabyte with a 12 terabyte. And then just simply reinsert the drive, making sure to insert it all the way and click that spring at the end. After a minute or two, you'll get a notification that a new drive is ready, and you can go manage this drive, repair the storage pool, select your storage pool, select the new drive, and since we are upgrading the hard drive capacity, I will expand the capacity of this volume, hit OK, just confirming that all the data on that drive will be erased, but it's new, so there's no data anyways. And then you can go over and watch as your system syncs the data. This will take a few minutes. I've sped it up here. And that's it. However, the system will take a little while to repair. And this will take about 8 hours. And that's it.